Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through editing logos, designing logos in CorelDraw using several tools. I'll be showing you some tools which are useful for designing logos, such as the logo of Tongtips, which is this channel. So here I have the logo with the light bulb and the text, and let's construct the light bulb first. It's made out of circles, so let's make a circle, some circles. That's to say, click on the ellipse tool, just like so. Put this cursor on the left side of the circle, and then hold the Control and the Shift keys on your keyboard, and then drag the cursor to make it look like this, and then just place that circle so that it fits with the circular outline of this logo. And then the logo is made by trimming another circle with this circle, so let's make that other circle. Copy and paste it just like this, and then resize the circle by holding the Shift key so that it will be centerized, and then drag this to make it look like this. Now trim this circle with this circle. Head over to effects, object, and then head over to shaping, and then click on shape, and then select trim, and then click this to trim this circle with this one. There you go. It's made out of several rectangles as well, so let's make a vertical line that will be the center part, because it's looking symmetrical. So head over here, hold the left click button, and then select freehand just like this, and then drag it just like this by holding the Control key so that it looks straight, just like so. And then hold the left click here, and then head over to rectangle just like so, and then adjust the thickness so that it has the same thickness. I'm talking about this rectangle, so yeah, do it like so, and then copy and paste it to make this one. You can rotate the rectangle by heading over here and then rotate it like 90 degrees so that it looks like this. It's now going horizontal. Copy this and this as well, and then paste it, and then flip it horizontally to make it look like this. This is how you flip objects horizontally. If you want to flip objects vertically, click here, and then it will be flipped vertically, just like the shape that you're looking at right now. So let's bring it back, and then let's combine these shapes, weld these shapes. So head over to weld under shape, and then click on weld to, and then click on any region of the shape that's being merged, just like so. Now all we have to do is to trim this part by making a rectangle within this area, and then go back to trim, and then trim this trimmed circle to make it look like this, and then weld this with this. Select the objects, and then head over to weld, and then click on weld to. There, now it's all combined just like so. Now all we have to do now is to make this part of the logo. So do it like this, and then use a pen tool, the Bezier tool, to make the line curvy. Start from this point, and then hold the left click button on your mouse to make it curvy, just like this, and then close the curve, and then weld this one with the rectangle just like shown, and then it will be turned like this, and then copy and paste just like this, and then flip it horizontally with this. Remember this? So do it like this, and then when you're done, weld this with this by clicking on weld to, and then it's combined now. Look, it's combined. Now weld this with this one. Weld to, click on weld to, and then do it like this so that it looks like united, just like this. Alright, make another rectangle just like shown for the bottom part of the light bulb, just like so, and then drag the right part of the rectangle and then simply weld to the original shape, just like so. And then for this one, we're going to use Bezier again, or Bezier in French. So hold the control key to make a no, never mind. By looking at the perpendicular text that you just saw, it's going to make the line perpendicular to that one, which is going to be straight as well. Close the curve, hold the left click button on your mouse, just like so, and then just drag the arrow just like this, and then you're done. Copy and paste it again, and then flip it horizontally so it looks like this, and then you simply just weld to this one. And then all we have to do now is to reduce the nodes by deleting one of them, just like this, and then make this the curvy line smooth by clicking here, smooth node, or just symmetrical node, so that it looks much smoother than before. Do it like this. No, I think I prefer the original shape for this, so let's make it like this, and then weld to this. Done now. It's easy, isn't it? Now all we have to do is to make the shading of the light bulb by constructing a circle, just like so, by holding the control key on your keyboard, and then weld to this original shape, just like so. And then make this by the Bezier tool, just like so, and click on any part of the edge, and then hold the left click button to make a curvy line, just like so, and do it just like this, and then trace the line so that it looks pretty much like this. And then you may want to do some tweaks by dragging the arrow, just like so, and then weld to this. And then some, capsule looking parts that surrounds the light bulb. That is what we're going to make. So hold the left click button on your mouse, and then head over to rectangle, just like this, and then make a rectangle, just like so. And then click on the shape again, and then click on the shape tool, and then make some circular kind of line by dragging that point that we just did. Pretty easy, isn't it? And then adjust the position of the capsules, just like this, and then make it go around the light bulb by doing it just like this, dragging the center point so that it gets rotated from the center point. So you do it just like this, and then you do it just like this, and then you just put it like this so that it rotates like 90 degrees, but adjust the position so that it fits just like so. And then copy and paste the same capsule, just like so. Then just adjust the positioning of the capsule so that it looks like this. And then all we have to do now is copy and paste these, and then flip it horizontally by clicking here, just like what I said, and then put it just here. And then delete this because we're done making the light bulb. Select these capsules, and then click on weld to, and then merge it. Combine it with the the light bulb by clicking on the light bulb just like this, and then make the outlines disappear by right clicking on this part of the palette on the right side panel, just like so, and then it's gone. Now the text. Create any text by clicking here, and then when you're done, you have this text. And then when you're done, you have this text. It's really simple to make a logo, isn't it? Alright, you're done making the logo. So this is the final result. Oh gosh, how it's looking so cool. And this has been a guide on how you can make a logo in CorelDraw, a designing program using several tools that's available. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.